In this video, I will show you how to create a sequence diagram in Draw.io. A sequence diagram is useful when you want to show how different parts of a system interact with each other step by step. Draw.io gives you ready-made templates, so you do not need to build everything from scratch. First, open Draw.io. On the top, click the plus icon. From the menu, choose Template. A new window will appear with many template categories. Go to the search bar. At the top, type sequence and press enter. Draw.io will now show you several sequence diagram templates. Pick the layout that fits your project. Click on the template you like, then click Insert in the bottom corner. The sequence diagram will appear on your canvas. Now you can start customizing it. You can double-click text to rename actors or systems, drag arrows to adjust communication flow, and add or remove steps depending on your process. Take a moment to rename each part so it matches your own use case. This is the fastest way to set up a sequence diagram in Draw.io without building it manually. If this tutorial helped you, consider subscribing for more simple Draw.io guides.